We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more unclear words in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is usually said as wrong, wrong. In American English, however, it is normally pronounced as wrong, wrong in American English versus wrong in British English. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.